Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Melissa's Kitchen, and for today's video I'll be making egg and noodle dish. So we're going to add we have some scallion here, we have some sweet pepper, we have some bacon and some chicken, jerk chicken, bologna. We have some onion, diced onion here, we have our black pepper, we have some basil. We're going to use our quick ramen noodle. We have our eggs, and we're going to add some Nestle. I finished whisking my eggs together. So to the egg, remember that I add the Nestle Carnation evaporated milk, some salt, some pepper, and here I'm just mixing together. So my noodle have finished. My noodle have finished boiling. I rinse it off with some cold water. Now we're going to continue the process with our noodle. So to our noodle, we're going to add the seasoning mix. So to our noodle, first we're going to add we have our diced onion here, so we're going to add this to it. We have our diced sweet pepper, there it is, so we're going to add that to it as well. We have our chopped scallion, we're going to add that as well. We're also going to add some pepper to it. We add pepper to the egg already, so I'm going to add a little more to this. We're also going to add some paprika. It's a teaspoon of paprika. We also want a little kick, so we're going to add our red chili. Just a little bit. If you want it spicy, you can add it. If you don't want it spicy, you don't need to add it. We're now going to add our noodle mix. So this is one of the package that came out of the noodle. So we're going to add it to here just for seasoning. You can add it in the egg as well if you don't want to add it in the noodle, because you're going to still season everything. Then now we're going to add our bacon. There's our bacon and our jerk chicken bologna. Add that to it as well. Stir that up a bit. Add a little herbs. See some basil here. We're gonna add a little, just a little. Add a little herbs to that. Now for this, so we're just gonna mix this together. So mixing this together now, we're going to add, let's add some, no, we don't have to add any. We're now going to add our egg. So we mix our egg separately and add salt and pepper already. So we're now going to add it to this mixture. And then we're going to mix this now to get it combined. So we want the egg to fully combine the noodle and everything that is in the bowl. So we're going to stir it well to combine. So stirring it well, get it combined. And then now we're going to heat our pot with some oil so we can begin to fry it. Alright, so I've finished mixing up my egg in my noodle. Now I've heated my pot well, everything get well combined in the egg, because the egg will be the binding agent holding everything together. So make sure that the egg is, make sure that you get the egg really combined with everything. Once you get a good fry on this side, we're going to flip it so you can fry on the other side as well. I'm going to flip it. We flip it on one side, we'll flip it again on this side. So we're allowing it to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes on both sides. So just flip it